Hey guys, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Facebook to automatically choose the music based on your content in your ads. This is great for those of you who are using image ads as part of your Instagram reels and want to add some music and maybe aren't too sure what type of music to use and are worried about copyright issues. You can just leave that all to Facebook to handle for you. As we know, Facebook ads is going more down the AI route, right? So we want to lean on that a lot more with our Facebook ads to get better performance. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Not going to waste no time. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to get Facebook to automatically choose music in relation to your ad content, right? This is great in terms of when you're putting out your ads. Obviously you want to add music, and it pretty much just takes away another decision in terms of which music to choose. And the music that will be chosen will be music that won't go against that won't have any copyright issues, right? And as you can see, guys, with Facebook, it's now going a lot more towards automation and relying more and more on the AI. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So right now I'm in the ads manager right now. And then all you got to do is click create right here. Then click sales or any one of these objectives. But for the sake of this video, we'll choose sales. Then continue. Then right here, as normal, you're going to be asked to put in your if you're doing CBO, you can basically choose the budget right here. If you're doing ABO, you can choose the budget at the ad set level. Yeah. And then you click next. Now we are at the ad set level. I've chosen website because that's why I want the conversions to take place on the website. Then right here, you choose your pixel. And once you choose your pixel, you then choose the conversion event. But I want to take us to the ad level because that's the most important part. Then we'll scroll down. And as you know, you put in the country that you're targeting, the age, the gender, as well as the interest that you're targeting. And then you want to leave this as advantage placements. Yeah. Now we are going to go into the ad level. And let's assume you've chosen all your interests and all that good stuff. Now we're going to go to the ad level. I click next. Now we are in the ad level. Now you just scroll down here. Scroll down here. And then select add media and then select add image. Then all we're going to do here is select one of these images and then click next. And can you see add media, crop, and then optimize? And then click next. Now it's going to take me to the optimize section. And this is where you choose the option for Facebook to automatically choose music in relation to the ad content that's shown in your ad. What you got to do is click music right here. You want to turn this on. And all you got to do is click automatically apply music right here. You can choose to manually apply music, but what you want to do the automatic option just to get rid of having to choose any music or having to worry about copyright issues and stuff like that. That just takes it away. That just takes that decision-making process away because you want to really focus on your creative. You want to focus on your ad structure and all that good stuff. So you click this, and then all you got to do is click done. And you're good to go. And that's done. And then in the ad level, you put in your copy, headline, description, the call to action, etc., etc. So guys, that is how you get Facebook to automatically choose the music in relation to what is shown in the ad, right? As usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys out. Take care, guys.